I know you're gonna sell the chain, and that's where you're gonna put up the rest for the grills. No cash, strictly jewelry.
From Sri Lanka.
See that?
Yeah, that shit dancing.
This is your appraisal paper.
I want to see the exact weight.
43.5, right? That's what we agreed to. Yeah. Okay. I learned this from the trappers. With the grills, never take them off. Like when you take them off, put them in the pouch, leave it in your pocket. Don't ever put them down.
Oh yeah.
Nah, yo, I gotta give the disclaimer.